Okay, so we're pardon me, we're back with a part 4 in relation to this fridge that we're setting up as a work we did before as a fermenter fridge. Now she looks all nice and painted and things like that. Seals are being cleaned up, doors being put back on. However, one thing I did overlook, now it has had a hose out and clean with disinfectant, but just looking around, that doesn't look real friendly, so I'll be getting rid of that. And what I did notice was mainly that black mould up in this catch tray here. So there's, I'm going back, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, or nuts, screws I should say, that need to come out. You can see the Freon tubes. All the tubes that the Freon flows through to keep the freezer component cold. But yeah, obviously that needs replacing. It looks damaged. Not sure whether it's supposed to be that shape or whether it's actually been, whether you could damage it in the identical way. Find hard to believe. In any case, I'm going to pull that out, dump that in a bucket of bleach. Because the last thing you want is to go to all this trouble, and that's the outlet there, so a tube needs to be attached, and run that into like a mason jar or something. Because the last thing you want to do is sanitize and clean all this and have grubby bits around the place. You know, you can paint the outside, make it all look flash cosmetically, but if you've got this in here, get it to 21 degrees, and you've got carbon dioxide in there, you've got possible water vapours if you leave the door open depending on humidity. That is going to start to grow and will infect and spoil your beer. So, sorry for a shaky ass video against the back of the fridge, but on the point of health, I did clean this out at one point and then it did sit with the door shut. So if you ever turn your fridge off, give it a real good clean afterwards. So this is actually sitting with, I'll pull the door shut, 2 pegs to keep it open. So yeah, that's how we were before. Got the kick tray on it, but yeah, it'll make sense once it's finished. Anyway, I'll leave that at that for the moment.